Alright, we're unboxing our egg Quart spot.
The boys are getting hungry. This is Cat. And this is my dad here. Unboxing this. How's he sit? Pretty cool. It's an 8-quart one. 7-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker. What do they want? Their crackers.
Help me out, buddy.
What's he got right there? Kind of a handle or something? Oh, the box handle. Okay. Jamison's over here helping. Thomas is eating a snack. Got Sophie in the background lounging over there. Cool.
What is this?
That's a nice big pot.
I just gotta get it ready to test it.
So, what's your lid and all your features like? Got your little indicator button there.
That's
And
the
your
little steam button.
valve,
That's the, what do you call that?
pressure valve or sealing.
Sealing and the venting pressure valve. Just a little pressure
Turn it on.
indicator lets you know when the pressure's full, working at full capacity. It's up and steam is out when it's down for the most part.
There we go.
There, it's programmable. Make all kinds of stuff.
That's pretty cool. And then got your basic instructions and a user manual.
A little recipe booklet and a user manual.
Cool. See how it comes with a simple recipe.
Yeah. Cooking timetables, quick reference, timetables for different types of foods. And this looks like kind of a quick guide, reference guide.
Very cool, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe below, and hit the notification button to see more content like this. Thanks so much.